Well, the low turnout in the last election, I think, reflects a number of things. One of them is the disenchantment with the way in which public officials and elected leaders have shown themselves to be wanting when it comes to managing the public resources in a transparent and ethical manner. So I think the spate of corruption scandals that bedeviled the last government of Andrew Holness in the last term, I think, has turned off a lot of people. Mm-hmm. Secondly, there is the fact that in the case of the PNP, I don't think we communicated an effective message in our campaign. And so many of our voters, I think, were not inspired to come out and vote for us because they didn't feel that we had demonstrated that we had a clear direction as to where we wanted to take the country, and one that they felt they could buy into. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There was also the perceived internal conflicts that may have had an impact on some of our supporters as well. Mm-hmm. You know, feeling that the party wasn't fully united, and you know, that being something which turned them off. Yeah. And there's also the COVID factor, you know, where certainly for older voters, there would have been fear about coming to polling stations to join lines and all that kind of thing. Mm-hmm. And families may have encouraged their parents or grandparents not to take the risk. So that may have been a factor as well in the low turnout.